Hi, this is Chong. In the following video, let's take a look of LEAP instructor applications. This is the LEAP Simulation Home icon. Double-click to activate LEAP Simulation Home page. In the home page, there's 4 columns. On your left is the Stimulate column. It consists of LEAP instructor application icon, icons for patient parameters monitoring, defibrillator with parameters with EFM or CTG, and AED. There is a help icon and a LEAP software update icon at the bottom. Next to the Stimulate column is the Design and Records column, where user can find icons of Sim Designer, Session Viewer, Trend Editor, Content Converter for the conversions of the scenario program by the previous versions, Sound Recorder, and Common Learner Event Editor. To the right of Design and Records column stand the Setup. There is icons for License Manager, Simulator Firmware and Network Wizard, Language Selector, Profile Editor, Folder Path Editor, Auto Launch Settings, and Network Selector. The leftmost column is the Explore. There are icons for the quick links to ledell.com, SimStore, LEAP's tutorials, Sim Managers, and Simulation User Network Forum. To explore these icons, the device needs to be connected to the internet access. In order to control the mannequins and parameters, let's click the LEAP instructor applications icon on the top right. If there is a comparable mannequins available in range, it will appear in the patient simulator box. For these demonstrations, I will use the virtual simulators by click onto the local computer icons and I'll select SimMan3G. In page of selecting virtual simulator, we can see that LEAP is a mannequin controlling platform which can control more than 20 individual mannequins. To accommodate flexibilities in simulations trainings, let's choose for manual mode. Subsequently, LEAP requires us to select a theme has a storyline for the LEAP instructor applications, and my preference is healthy. Once trigger start sections, the LEAP instructor applications is ready to control the simulator and parameters. On the top left corner lays the menu bar. In File drop-down options, there is Start New Sessions, Restart Sessions, Transfer Media File, Add Comments, and Exit. The Transfer Media File is a popular command. It allows transmissions of lab investigations, radiologist images, and video clips to support simulation training. View is next in the menu, where LEAP holds windows and arrange windows. You may realize that LEAP's instructor application consists of many boxes with different commands options. These boxes are labeled as window. Arrange windows allow user to manipulate the size of each windows and even stack these windows to customize to individuals' needs. To uncheck the options in Windows, give user the abilities to hide some of these windows. In Tool, there's control for parameters monitors. This is the monitor setup window where user can adjust the style of parameters monitor to fit the simulation's training needs. The last 2 options in menus are SimStore and Help. Beneath the menu bar is the Team Controls window. Current team setting is healthy and it is only one state, all normal. By click the team title, there is a drop-down features allow user to select different teams in the mid of simulation training. Below the team window appears the event and ongoing windows. Event window holds preset checklists and handlers, while the ongoing care windows reflects the mannequin sensor that has been currently triggered. At the left bottom, there is a session control window which holds the stop, restart, fast forward a minute, pause, resume, and time in current training sessions. In the top of the middle columns, let's explore Sounds window. User can find the quick controls of heart, lung, and bowel sounds. The chain next to the left and right lungs indicates the sounds commands is linked between both lungs. Furthermore, click More Body Sound to access detailed body sounds command. The right column within the sound window is the options of vocal sounds. User can click More Sounds for additional options. Otherwise, user can make use of the voice conference app and a microphone to project voice via mannequins. The next window is the airway and breathing. It consists of individuals' airway features, tension pneumothorax, resistant, compliant, stomach distension, exhale CO2, tongue fallback functions. The drop-down menu gives preset options like can intubate and can ventilate to trigger a combination of these three features, so hopefully interferes learners to achieve a successful intubation. The resistance control here is to give a tactile feedback to the learners as individuals is ventilating the mannequins while back one mask. In the eyes window, there is controls for eyelid positions, blinking frequency, pupil size, and pupil reactiveness to light. The convulsions and fluid windows is located below the eyes windows. As its name suggests, it has the control for the mannequin's convulsions and valves for various fluid output. The CPR window, which reflects the chest compressions depth and hand positions during the chest compressions. The CPR history window will capture compressions and ventilation time graphs. At the top of right column, this is the parameter windows for the on-the-fly parameters manipulations. Underneath, it is the predictions window, which provide parameters overview with parameters times graph. Trigger trench tag to activate trench window, where user can launch trench or handlers commands. While in the cardiac windows, mannequin operator can manipulate mannequin's response to defibrillations and pacing. In commands windows, mannequin operator can add random remarks in the session log for debriefing and documentation purpose. The learner's patient's monitor buttons window holds the access of the patient monitor, where mannequin's operator can control the patient's monitor's features. At the right lower corner, it is the session log that documents the current training sessions, and it has a basic or detailed views modes. Simulators windows reflects the mannequin's function status. Local PC status show the conditions of the mannequin's operator's computers. Connection status window mirrors the communications between the mannequins, instructor PC, and patient monitor. The four icons at below are shortcuts for full views, voice conference applications, debrief system, and remarks. Alright, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.